name's Isabel.
Hi, my name's Max, and today we'll be going over pistons and how to make simple piston doors.
There are 5 basic redstone power sources in Minecraft. The first is a button, which when clicked once extends a piston and then immediately retracts it. Buttons don't save their location, so the piston just immediately comes back. Next is a lever, which when pressed extends the piston, and then when pressed again, retracts it. Levers save their position, so you can keep the piston extended as long as you want, as long as the lever is on. Next is redstone torches. Redstone torches always power the piston, so they're always extended. Next is a redstone block, which, similar to redstone torches, always powers the piston, so it's always extended. Finally is a pressure plate. Pressure plates, when stood on, extend the piston, and then when you stand off of them, they retract them.
So this is the redstone door we're going to show you how to make. It is a 2x2 simple piston door. You stand on the pressure plates, they open, you walk through, and then they close, and it works both ways. Down here you can see the pressure plates activate the redstone, and that comes up here, and it actually ends up turning off these redstone torches, and that turns off this redstone dust, and then it turns off the pistons and opens it up. So when I walk through, you can actually see that the torch turns on and then back off. We build this piston door by making a 2x3 rectangle of blocks, and then we extend out like here and fill the entire thing with redstone dust, and then we build up on each end and place one torch at the top, and now we can build our floor. And over here we can put down the pistons, the pressure plates, and then the pistons go here, there. And then we take one block here and put a piece of dust on top, and then another block and put another dust, and then we can place the doors. There you go. Simple redstone door. Pretty cool. Another great use of redstone is actually lighting TNT. TNT is super useful. It destroys blocks instantly and leaves these big caverns for you to build more stuff in, especially more TNT. You can make an easy TNT bomb by just placing the pressure plate here and activating it. And then you can sit back and watch.
Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this video or even just want to say hi, feel free to email us at frc5587@gmail.com. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any more fun content. Bye!